Hello people, this is KP and I welcome you all to the 27th video of Python series. So, today we are going to see about while loop, that is one indefinite loop. Okay, so in the last class we have discussed about for loop, that is definite loop. What is definite loop? You know the number of loops or the number of iterations to do, like to execute the code. How many number of times you want to execute that, you know. In while loop we don't know how to, like how many number of times I want to execute one single line or maybe a piece of code or a block of statement. Okay, so let me write the theory part, then I will go to paint and explain you. Okay, so okay, I can write while loop in Python is used to iterate over a block of code as long as the condition is true. So how to check one condition and if it is true or false, how to check, I will be explaining. Okay, so this is, you can think like statement. So normally we don't know beforehand how many number of times the loop will continue. In those case we use while loop. Okay, so let me take you to paint, there I will explain about while loop. Okay, so where is my pen? Yes, so let me give you the syntax. Okay, so we are going to see about while loop. Okay, so the syntax is, normally we write while, this is in small, okay, w small, while, then here we write condition. Okay, I am writing suppose in this kind of thing. Okay, so here we write condition, then we put a colon. Okay, let me do one thing. So this is starting from here. Okay, so inside condition I want to give some space, that is called indentation. Suppose I am putting this much space. Okay, one tab, then I will put some statement, or I am putting one code line number 1, then code 2. If I write code 3 here, so this will be out of while loop. Okay, let me put here same space I am putting. Okay, so this is a syntax of while loop, how to write while loop. Okay, so here let me change color. Here we put condition. So while condition, what it does, it checks the condition. If it is true, true, then it executes this line, and then again it goes back to this position, again checks the condition. If it is true, then again it execute this line, again execute this line, or maybe some more lines will be there, then execute all those, then again similarly go to this position. So this is loop that will be keep on continuing like this. Okay, so this is all about loop. So remember one thing, if your condition is always true, then you will create an infinite loop. Okay, let me show you, that is called infinite loop, that will never end. Okay, so let me show you this thing, how to create an infinite loop in Jupyter notebook. Okay, using the Python code. So let's get back. So I told you the condition should be true. Okay, so I am putting while, see here it's a keyword, that is why it becomes green color. Okay, so instead of putting any condition, I can directly put true, true is the boolean value. Okay, so I am putting while true. See here, this condition is now true, and now I am gonna putting the statement or the code. Okay, I am putting print, I'm just simply printing for checking. I am putting suppose my name KP, Sahu. Then now if I just execute, what will happen? See here, it's keep on printing, it's keep on printing. How you can know? You can see this black dot. Whenever Python interpreter executes, it is giving black dot, or you can say it is white. So now it is keep on printing. If I can show you, let me go down. You can see here. Okay, just a minute. I think it's visual. See here, this is the like bar to go down. You can see here how many times they have printed. They are keep on printing. See here, this bar is going up. It means they are keep on printing. Let me take you to the last. See here, they are keep on printing, and this is going up, up, up. So this is an infinite loop. So this is never gonna end until unless my laptop is shut down, or maybe my all CPU consumption 100%, or maybe something like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna stop it manually. So this is the button for stop. Okay, interrupting the kernel. Now see here, your kernel is not busy, or your interpreter is released. Okay, now if I just go to last, you can see your keyboard interrupt. I just stopped it manually. Till then it was keep on printing. Okay, so this is was an example of infinite loop. Okay, so I'm just closing this, and I can write here triple s then infinite loop by while. Okay, then I'm pressing escape, then I'm pressing M, then I'm again executing it, shift plus enter. Okay, now it becomes heading, and I can put this thing, and I'm not gonna execute it. While true. So remember, if you have only 2 GB RAM, maybe in your phone or maybe your laptop, and you are executing this code, so your phone or your system may hang up. Okay, so don't execute this. Just remember, this is the way while a loop can be used for creating infinite loop. Okay, I'm just printing some other statement, infinite loop. Okay, and I can make it markdown. Okay, so now it will not be executed. Okay, don't make it markdown. You can go with raw nb convert. It will remaining as it is. Okay, so this was about while loop. Now let's understand how to break the loop. We understood the concept of while loop. Now we have to understand how we can just break the loop, how to get out of the loop. Let's see. Okay, so this was our while loop. Now I'm giving one use case, and I will writing the same syntax in while loop. Okay, so just I am taking black color. Okay, just think this. Suppose my salary is, I am writing here, my salary is 10,000. Okay, I'm writing here tens. Okay, just think like 10,000, 10 lakhs, anything you want. Okay, so I will do strike. I want more increment in my salary, so I need 10 should be increased to 20. So I will do strike. Okay, let me write. So I can write while salary equals to 20. Why salary equals to 20? Because you know, if I do something variable equals to 20, it means 20 is assigned to this variable. But if I do the same thing with salary equals to 20, it means I'm checking if salary is same as 20 or not. I'm just checking this. So this is assignment operator, and this is comparison operator. Okay, so remember this thing. That's why I'm putting here double equals to. So I am putting if my salary is equals to 20, then I will stop strike. I won't sit in the road and do some hangama. Okay, stop strike. Okay, okay, let me go down and write it in a better way. I'm just decreasing and stretch it down. Then let me, okay, I hope you understood the concept or this what I can say, this use case. While my salary is not equals to 10, I will be keep on doing strike. I will sit on the road, I will not have my breakfast or lunch or dinner. Okay, so this is my condition. Okay, let me write, while salary is not equals to, okay, I'm here I had done equals to, see here I had done equals to, here I am doing not equals to, that will be more clear. Okay, let me do how to do not equals to, how to write 5. This is called 5 equals to 5. It means this side is same as this side. But how to do not equals to, we have to put this symbol, colon or exclamation mark, not colon, this is exclamation mark with equals to. Okay, so this is for not equals to. So I can put while my salary is not equals to 20, I am putting here colon, then I am taking some space, that is called indentation. While my salary is not equals to 20, I will do strike. Okay, so now just think of it. If my salary is never gonna 20, so I will be keep on doing this strike, isn't it? So this is similar like infinite loop. Okay, infinite loop. So how to break this loop, what my company will do? So my company will first, let me give the salary. Also you should know what is my salary, current salary. So I can give my salary equals to 10. Okay, my company will do, what he will do, first he will increase, suppose from 10 to 12 maybe. So what I can do, my company will be doing, my new salary will be previous salary plus 2. My company added this thing. Okay, with this much indentation, same indentation. Okay, then finally let me give you the workflow. First I will check my salary is 10. Okay, here I have written my salary is 10, so 10 is not equals to 20. Now I will do strike. When I will do strike, my company will increase it to 12 plus 2. Okay, 10 plus 2, let me write here, 10 plus 2 equals to, I got 12,000 salary. Then again I will check, as this is a loop, so I will again go here and check, is 12 is equals to 20? No. So I will do again strike. So again my company will increase 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2, that will be 14. Now my salary is 14, not 20. Now my salary is 14. Again I will compare this part here. Is my salary, that is 14, is equals to 20? No. So I will again do strike. My salary will be again increased by 2. So what will be the answer? Current salary 14 plus 2, that will be 16. Now what will happen? Again my salary is not 14, my salary is now 16. Now again I will compare this thing with this. Is my salary is equals to 20? No. 16 is not equals to 20. So I will again do a strike. Again my salary will be increased. How it will work? 16 plus 2. Now it is 18. Okay. Then again this is not 16. This is now 18. Now again I will check if 18 is equals to 20. No, it's not equals to. That means whatever I have written here, that is correct. 18 is not equals to 20. So this statement is correct. As soon as this condition gets positive or true, again this block of code will be executed. That is, I will do strike and my salary will be increased by 2. And this time I had 18, then I got 2000 increment, that is I am finally getting 20,000 from my company. Now salary value is 20. Again this value is gonna compare with this. Let me write again. I'm just changing color. So I'm writing this condition only, okay? This condition. Salary is not equals to 20. So this was our condition. So now I am putting 20 as of my current salary. So now it will check 20 is not equals to 20. Is this condition true or false? Is this condition true or false? So this statement is false because 20 is equals to 20, not equals to, okay? So this statement is gonna false. So as soon as this condition, what color I can choose? I can choose, okay, this color, let me try. Okay, as soon as this condition is getting false, the while loop will be stopped. It will not execute anymore all these statements, okay? So this is how we stop our loop while writing while conditions. Now we are going to do the same thing or in the programmatic manner, and don't just do all these things whatever I have explained, because if you do strike, your company may kick you out, not increase your salary, okay? This was a hypothetical situation, I just given an example. That's it. Now let's get back to our Jupyter. Okay. Ho ho. So where is my Jupyter? Yes. Now we will start. So suppose, what example I can give? I want the user should give a number, okay? Like user given me 5. So I will print 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, okay? So if user gives me input as 5, so I will be keep on adding starting from 1 till 5. So if user gives here 6, what I will do, I will add plus 6. Like you, whatever number user is giving, I will be adding till this number starting from 1. So we don't know here how many times I have to do the addition operation. So this is infinite, sorry, this is indefinite situation. We don't know, user may give 5 or maybe 6 or maybe 3 or maybe 100, okay? So this is a condition where we don't know how many times we have to run addition operation. So let me show you. First I am taking n. What will be n? N will be my number, okay? So how I can take the input? This is the input function, you know. I am giving here 5. All right, now if I check type of n, this is a string. So string cannot be compared with an integer, okay? So string operation performs like, if you do suppose I want 55, okay, sorry, I want 10. So if you do n plus 5, it will give you 55, okay? First of all, integer cannot be added, but if you make it string, then you can get 55, not 5 plus 5, that is 10. So first we need to convert it into integer. How I can convert? I can just put int function over here. Now if you, okay, so what is the error? No error, I just left it blank, okay? I am giving here 10. All right, now I'm making it as integer. Now if I do 10 plus 5, we are expecting here 15, okay? So now you got number, okay? So your user is gonna give here number. We took the user input. So I am initializing some variables, okay? Suppose I am taking sum equals to 0. This is one variable. Then again I am taking, suppose I equals to 1. You can see the importance of these variables later when we will be completing the entire program and executing it, okay? So now I am putting one condition. Let me start while loop. While, okay, while, while, okay, while, here I have to put condition. I am putting I is less than or equals to n. So Let me explain. Here I value is 1. Very firstly I am giving, as in the previous example I was taking about salary. My salary is 10. First of all I have declared salary equals to 10. Similarly here I have declared I equals to 1. So in the first loop it will take I equals to 1. So now it will check, suppose user gives 5. So it will check if I is less than equals to 5. Yes. So now the condition becomes true. So then the code will be executed. So now let me write. So I will do sum equals to sum plus I. So what it will do? First sum was 0. It will add 0 plus this thing is 1. First of all this was 1. So 0 plus 1 sum becomes 1. Okay. This is one thing. So let me proceed. Okay, so if I just do it, then just think user suppose gives 5 and it will check I is 1, 1 is less than 5. So this is true. Now this code will be executed. So now it is saying sum equals to sum plus 1, that is 0 plus 1 becomes 1. Then again it is saying 1 plus I value is constantly 1. Okay, so if you don't increase the I value, your what I can say, your condition will not be false ever. It will be never false. So your while loop will be continued forever. Okay. So I will increase I value also. I equals to I plus 1. Or what else you can do? You can do this with uh, I can put here 1 plus equals to 1. Okay. So I will be increased. In the first iteration I value is 1, see here. In the second iteration I value will be 2, 3, 4. Similarly it will be continuing. Okay, so what I can do, sum is gonna increase. Finally I am getting out of the loop and finally I am printing, suppose here I am gonna print sum. Before that I can add this, put a comma here, the final sum is colon this. Okay, now let me execute this. Let us see what happens. I'm printing this. Now what will happen? I'm just giving here 5. Enter. So see here the final sum is 15. Let me check. I'm doing 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Let me execute. Yes, I'm getting 15. So let me try with 6. Okay, if I add here 6, I should get how much? 21. Now I am executing here. Now I am a user giving input as 6. See here, the final sum is 21. Isn't it so cool? So I hope you understood the concept of while loop. So if you just want to see the sum, the value of sum after every iteration, I'm just printing here. I can just print I can write as sum value colon, I'm putting a comma, then here sum. Then also I can put inside curly braces and the value of I. So I can put here I. Okay, these are not much complex. These are strings, that is why I am putting inside curly braces. Sorry, this is called double quotes, and I am putting a comma, and this is sum, that is a variable declared here, and this part is okay. I need to put a comma here also. Yes, so this part is an entire string, that is why I am putting it inside double quote, and I is the variable that is declared here. All right, now let me execute. Again I am putting 6. Now you can see the sum value is, very firstly it was 1 and the value of I becomes 2, and again the sum value becomes 3, this I is 3, and sum value becomes 6 and I is 4. So see here, this is the iteration type. Okay, as we have taken this I as 1, that is why it's starting from 2. Okay, so total how many iteration? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and finally sixth. After 6 iteration, the this condition becomes false and the loop is terminated, and finally we are getting the sum is 21. Okay, this is how the while loop works. I hope you have understood all this concept, and I want to give one question to you guys. You just go and practice. If you don't find, you cannot find, I will be explaining in the next class. I am giving using while loop calculate factorial of a number. Okay, this is your homework. I am putting it with double hash and I am writing HW homework. Let me do escape and I'm pressing M plus I am executing it. So this is your homework. Using while loop calculate, sorry, the my mistake, calculate. Okay, factorial of a number. So I'm not gonna explain what is factorial of a number. If you don't know, just Google it and try to find how to calculate. So make it more dynamic, like I'm a user, I'm gonna give input as 6, so I want the factorial value of 6, that is called 6 factorial. What will be the output? So this is your homework, and I hope I have explained the while loop concept, how it works internally very deeply, going to the all deepest I can. Okay, so that's all guys for this video, and I hope you have understood this thing. You won't be confused again when to use for loop, when to use while loop. That's all guys. See you in the next video. Thank you so much and bye bye.